In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a file or folder in Outlook. When you're working with email, especially in a team or office setting, it's often much better to send a link to a file or folder instead of attaching the whole thing. It keeps everyone on the same version, saves mailbox space, and is usually more secure. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to create and insert those links directly into your Outlook email, step by step. Start by opening Outlook and creating a new email message, just like you normally would. Click New Email, then enter your recipient, your subject line, and any text you want to include in the body. We'll place the link right inside this message so it looks clean and professional. Next, decide whether you want to link to a single file or to an entire folder. Typically, your files and folders will be stored in a shared location like OneDrive, SharePoint, or a shared network drive. The key is that whoever receives your email must already have permission to access that location. If they don't, they'll see an error when they click your link, so it's worth double-checking access before you send. Now, go to the file or folder you want to share. In OneDrive or SharePoint, right-click it and look for an option like Copy Link or Share. This will generate a sharing link for that item. Usually, a small window appears with link settings. Here, you can control who can open the link, whether they can edit or only view, and sometimes whether the link expires. Choose the settings that match what you need. For example, if you only want people in your organization to view the file, make sure that's selected. Once the link is created, copy it to your clipboard. Then, return to your Outlook message. In the email body, type the text you want to act as the link, such as, "Click here to open the shared folder," or the actual name of the file. Highlight that text, right-click, and choose the option to insert a hyperlink. In the address field, paste the link you copied, then confirm. Your text will now be clickable, and it will open the file or folder in the browser for your recipient. Before sending, you can test the link yourself by holding Control and clicking it, or by sending a test email to your own address. Once you're confident it's working and the permissions are correct, go ahead and send your message. That's all you need to link a file or folder in Outlook in a clear, organized way.